Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nadiyatul binti Salam, nombor metrik 13 DKM 18F 1087. Hari ini saya ingin membentangkan mengenai McDonald Company. McDonald is the world largest chain of fast food restaurant. Founder McDonald ni Ray Kroc. Founded 15 April 1995 at Illinois, United States. CEO McDonald's ni Steve Easterbrook. Headquarters McDonald dekat Illinois, United States. McDonald dah buka 36,000 cawangan dekat seluruh dunia. Seterusnya, McDonald's was started as a drive-in restaurant by two brothers, Richard and Maurice McDonald in California, US in 1937. They used assembly line procedure in their kitchen for mass production. Speed, service, cleanliness were the critical success factors. Prices were kept low. Ray Kroc, distributor for milkshake and machine interested in McDonald's business, and finalized a deal with McBrother in 1954. In 1961, he brought out McBrother's share for $2.7 million and changed the company name to McDonald's Corporation. Scope of business McDonald ni ada 3: hamburger, service dengan side dishes. Hamburger ni ada 3: Big Mac, cheeseburger, fillet of fish. Yang kedua, service ada 2, dine-in service dengan take-out service. Yang ketiga, side dishes ni ada 3: ice cream, McCafe dengan nugget. Company team member McDonald pula, yang pertama operation manager, yang kedua operation consultant, yang ketiga restaurant general manager and guest experience officer, yang keempat department manager, guest experience executive, yang kelima assistant manager, management trainer, executive management trainer, yang keenam crew trainer, crew leader, guest experience leader, yang ketujuh crew, barista, rider, apprentice, SLDN dengan staff. McDonald ada buat 5 maintenance system. Yang pertama corrective maintenance, yang kedua preventive maintenance, yang ketiga predictive maintenance, yang keempat zero house maintenance, yang kelima periodic maintenance. The weakness atau problem McDonald Company ni ada 3. Yang pertama, there is negative publicity about the product that McDonald's sell are fast food and contains a high amount of fat, carbohydrate, salt and sugar. Yang kedua, the US market of the burger outlet is almost saturated. Yang ketiga, the divided growth rate has been slowly down. There is potential for that the investor will option out from the McDonald. Okay, suitable maintenance McDonald ni, there is an opportunity for the international expansion for McDonald. Can start the premium product at some its franchise to check whether there is a chance in the customer demand. Can start developing the supply chain for the related products in the market so that they can generate revenue from other segment as well. Can start selling the product which are giving help proposition to the customer. There is a lot of potential by designing the customer-centric campaign to add value proposition at the brand. Conclusion untuk pembentangan ni, untuk syarikat ni, McDonald is a very well established organization. The success of the McDonald is completely based on the extensive research of the market, internal and external forces. It has done research on the people behavior of specific country, on their culture, buying power and social issue. McDonald has paid special attention on the location of the business, its interior and exterior outlook and types of technology is going to use to get the maximum production at short time. the most important thing which is focus on was the quality and the market force which directly affect the business. Thank you. Itu saja.